In this presentation, we're going to take a look not only at the new features and functions in Dream Report 4.7, but also the themes of this release and where we're headed with Dream Report. Even after 10 years, we're finding exciting new ways to improve Dream Report. We're on the cusp of a new era, where Dream Report evolves from document generation to ad hoc analytics. Version 4.7 is a major step in that journey, while also delivering solid enhancements to core functionality. Dream Report is already perfect for utilities and life science compliance reporting. It's an awesome production, performance, and KPI dashboarding solution. There was one market that we have not penetrated, and that's the world of statistical process control, or SPC reporting. Dream Report is now your quality reporting solution. On a related note, this release of Dream Report also delivers enhanced connectivity to open new markets. That includes the best SciTech interfaces of any reporting solution, created in partnership with Schneider Electric. The same goes for our Yokogawa Smart Recorder interfaces. Finally, Dream Report offers client support for the latest industrial communication standard, OPC UA. Strategically speaking, Dream Report now delivers the ability to select and organize your data sources down to the tag level. In a connected world, where you're literally drowning in data, doesn't it make sense to be able to group and logically organize your data sources and use them effectively? The new data model feature delivers on this. There's also a new runtime management console and a dynamic report generator. They're cleaner, quicker, and easier to use. Combine that with a new ActiveX control, and the power of Dream Report is in the hands of your operators, right from the HMI or SCADA display. Ad hoc analysis is possibly the most exciting part of Dream Report 4.7, and will continue to be a major focus moving forward. Once you see something of interest on a report, then you need analysis tools. We've included new hyperlinking capabilities for drill-down reporting and hyperlinking on report metrics and objects to get raw data views instantly. As you can see in this new features summary, our developers have been hard at work creating many new reporting features, productivity tools, and connectivity options, all to meet the requirements of our continually expanding customer base. We'll focus on many of these new features in subsequent slides. The SPC Module is a new add-on option in Dream Report for performing SPC reporting on any data source, whether the data source is a real-time source such as a SCADA system, HMI, or directly from a PLC. From any historical data source such as a process historian or HMI historical log files, from any open data source such as SQL databases or CSV files, or manually enter data using Dream Report's Web Manual Data Entry feature. The SPC module provides a rich set of charts with SPC rules, tables, and specific statistical functions for SPC analysis and reporting. Of course, the real benefit of using Dream Report for your SPC reporting instead of an SPC point solution is that with Dream Report you can combine an SPC view of your data along with performance, compliance, and operational data from completely different data sources in different formats to get a real understanding and implications of different factors on product and process quality. Ease of use is always a focus for ocean data systems, and this release is no different. A data model is one of our most significant enhancements. Data sources, such as a historian, can have thousands, even tens of thousands of tags. Of those, typically maybe 10% are used for reporting and analytics. Wouldn't it be nice to make only the tags needed for reporting available to those that need it, even organizing those tags by individual, plant, line, or equipment? It's completely up to you. Organize tags from several completely disparate data sources into a logical folder structure. That enables you to provide data sources tailored for web reports or tailored by users. Thoughtfully organized tags improve data access and reduce errors in reporting. As we'll see later, the new Dream Report web objects make the web experience faster to set up and more flexible to use. In Dream Report Studio, you can define one or more data models for your users' specific needs. You create a folder structure to represent a logical organization in each model. And then in each model, simply drag and drop tags from any data source into the relevant folder or folders. The same tag can be used in multiple data models and in multiple folders. As an alternative, the model can also be created or copy and pasted in a text file and then imported to quickly reproduce a desired tag structure. When configuring a web report layout, simply specify the data model in your tag picker instead of an individual data source. Then, on the web report, your users only need to access relevant tags, quickly accessible through the logical structure you've created. In the past, you may have thought of Dream Report as a document generator, creating rich PDF, Excel, and CSV files. We introduced the web portal to give you access to your report documents through an easy-to-use HTML5-based interface. The portal also delivers very powerful ways to generate your reports. The portal was enhanced to let you search and sort data in tables, pan and zoom trends, and get a tooltip value display of any point on a trend. It also supports manual data entry, the ability to make selections for more flexible web-based reporting, and dynamic updates to support unattended dashboards. In this release, Dream Report offers enhancements to dig deeper into your data, with support for drill-down reporting and raw data views, giving you a fundamental understanding of what is happening and why. With a few clicks, Dream Report delivers the ability to link reports and pass date, time, and tag parameters for drill-down reporting. Alternatively, with a simple formatting option, statistics can link to raw data views in either table or trend formats, with the ability to export the data. This means you can now review variables in your reports and dashboards, and when deeper evaluation is needed, you can simply click on it to see the underlying data. The concept is to deliver the tools you need to evaluate the quality and context of data within Dream Report, giving you faster access to knowledge. As we continue to expand into more markets, we've added even more connectivity options, both vendor-specific drivers and open standards. Most notably, OPC UA, an Internet of Things protocol. In our last release, we delivered the ability to remote all of Dream Report's drivers across the Internet. You can have data at one place and Dream Report at another, connected through a secure web service driver. In this release, Dream Report gets the latest technology for the Industrial Internet of Things, OPC UA. It offers a secure, real-time connection to remote Internet data. Of course, it can also be used within your plant for local connectivity as well. Whatever you want to call it, IoT, Industrial IoT, or Industry 4.0, Dream Report is ready. Beyond OPC UA, we've added new drivers and enhanced several existing drivers. And we've even included a user-configurable driver based on the open Lua scripting language, allowing you to build your own data simulation, data profiles, or other advanced data features that you need to manipulate. The Dream Report Runtime Management Console and Dynamic Report Generator, developed using Windows Presentation Foundation technology with a modernized look and feel, giving the user a clear, informative, and intuitive layout for managing runtime tasks and manually generating reports. Here we see the steps to select a report, specify a time period on the fly, and then generate the report in the selected format or formats, and whether to automatically email or print the report output. It couldn't be simpler. Additionally, the Dynamic Report Generator ActiveX control has also been updated with the same intuitive layout for your operators to use directly in an HMI screen. Vertical trends or line charts are useful in many industries and applications where there is a need for long instead of wide charts, possibly spanning several pages. So why is this important? Well, some processes have variable lengths, meaning they take a long time, and you don't want to lose data fidelity by putting it all into one chart. Depth reports for oil and gas exploration are an excellent example of the need for vertical charts that span multiple pages. Heat treat operations is another example. They may run for many hours, and you will want more than one page in your final report. This feature has been added as an option when configuring the Dream Report line chart object. Here we see both a time-based chart, showing outside temperature and energy consumed over the past year, and an XY plot, showing the pressure as a function of the drilling depth. With a focus on web-based reporting and analytics, we've enhanced our set of web objects for building easy-to-use web forms and reports. The tree object and tag selector allows for both folder structures and contain tags to be displayed in the same object, or you can still use a separate tag list associated with the tree selector for tag folders. The choice is yours. If a combo box has to display a huge tag list, instead of bogging down the web page with an excessively long list, Dream Report allows you to limit the number of tags in the list, but still allows you to perform a wildcard search of the tags you need for your data analysis, all within the single combo or list box. Of course, we'd encourage using data models to display only the tags that users need in a logical organization, rather than using one huge list. And for manual data entry forms, we've given the ability for a user to type in comments or observations in a clear, multi-line text box, and a new checkbox option for recording Boolean type results. And finally, we expanded the use of the open Lua scripting language in Dream Report, providing even more extensibility to the software. Lua script has been supported in several Dream Report versions up until now. Some users might simply use a single-line Lua script in an expression object to perform a data string manipulation or a simple if-then evaluation, while others might use the Lua script library we provide to execute custom SQL queries or stored procedures and then return the results to the script for further processing, or even create a script to manipulate the position of an object in a report based on a set of conditions. And we've included a new advanced text editor in Dream Report's expression object. This provides a clean, logical layout for developing scripts. So there you have a summary of the many new features and capabilities of Dream Report 4.7. Dream Report is already known as the best reporting solution for the automation world, and the best just got better. But we're on the cusp of a new era where Dream Report transitions from report document generation to ad hoc analytics. Version 4.7 is a major step in that journey while delivering solid enhancements to core functionality. Thank you, and please make sure to contact us at Ocean Data Systems or your local Dream Report distributor for more information.